Hello girls and boys. What a wonderful day in the forest to draw Pooh's friend Piglet, from the Walt Disney movie, Winnie the Pooh. Let's get started, by drawing an upside-down letter U for the top of his head. Take your time, and please do not rush through any parts of the drawing. Next, at the end of the U-shaped line, draw what appears to be the shape of an egg or oval. Do the one half, then repeat the same for the other side, connecting the lines together at the bottom. Now that we have a head, we can draw in the facial features starting with a triangular nose, followed by an upward curved line for a smiling mouth. Whenever you see my hand hide behind the tree stumps, it's to give you time to look at the picture. You can also slow down the speed of the video, or pause it at any time. Don't forget to add the little curved lines at the end of the mouth, so it looks like a heartfelt smile. Piglet's eyes are just small circles. We draw in the eyebrows and some facial lines to complete his face. Now we draw Piglet's ears, his biggest body features. Because ears move in position, it does not matter how you draw them. Just be sure they are large, pointed at the end, and look somewhat positioned on his head. When drawing his arms, we will draw his right arm first. This is the arm on the left side of the picture because he is looking at us. It is drawn like an elongated, sideways teardrop. For his left arm, on the opposite side, draw a line from his head to the bottom part of his other arm. Then repeat the same but a little bit higher. His arms now look crossed in front of him. To complete the bottom part of his body, draw a circle but stop at where the rest of his body is drawn already. For his legs and feet, start by drawing a downward line at the bottom of his body. Don't make it too long. He has little pig's legs. To the side of the center line, draw a small line down, then come out and around until you touch the bottom of the center line. Repeat the same on the opposite side. Be sure to follow the picture for help. Your picture looks great. So that the body looks like it has a rounded shape, draw several slightly curved lines across Piglet's body. This also now looks like he is wearing a shirt. I am not going to show myself coloring Piglet. I have all the confidence in you to do the coloring. I am just going to show you the colored picture in case you are looking for suggestions of how Piglet looked in the movie Winnie the Pooh. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please look for more of my Disney cartoon drawings. Thank you for watching.